In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take an existing design and adapt it for different formats without losing your original work. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express. Give it a second to load all the fonts and images so everything looks the way you designed it. It helps to do a quick once-over to make sure the version you're opening is the one you want to resize. Next, look for the Resize option. You'll find it in the top toolbar, and in some layouts, it appears under the Design Options panel. This is your shortcut to adapting the canvas for different platforms. Clicking it reveals a range of suggested sizes and a place to enter your own dimensions. Now choose the size you want. You can pick a preset, like a square Instagram post, a flyer, or a web banner, which saves time and follows platform best practices. If you have a specific requirement, enter custom width and height. Keep an eye on the aspect ratio. Switching from a wide banner to a square or vertical format changes how your content fits the canvas, and that's perfectly normal. We'll fine-tune it next. When you're ready, click Copy and Resize. This is important because it creates a new version of your design at the new size while keeping your original untouched. Think of it as a safe duplicate that lets you experiment freely. With the new copy open, adjust your text, images, and layout to fit the new space. Drag corner handles to scale elements proportionally, and use the alignment guides to keep everything centered and balanced. If text wraps in a way you don't like, widen the text box or slightly adjust the font size and line spacing. Reposition or crop images so the focal point stays visible and nothing important gets cut off. Backgrounds may need to be scaled or repositioned. Avoid stretching them out of proportion. Take a moment to check edges and margins, especially for elements like logos or calls to action, so they don't sit too close to the border. This is also a good time to confirm color contrast and readability in the new format. Once everything looks right, download or share your resized design. Choose the file type that suits your use case, whether that's an image or a document, and save it to your device. If you're sharing directly, use the built-in share options to send a link or post to your platform. That's it. Open your project, hit Resize, select a preset, or enter custom dimensions. Use Copy and Resize, adjust the layout, and then download or share. You're ready to resize confidently in Adobe Express.